Hi there, students. To betoken. To betoken. Yeah, that's a good word for you. Okay, so if one thing betokens another, it means that something is a sign of something else. So I went into the house and there was a wonderful smell of cooking, of food that betokened that my mum had been cooking or had spent all afternoon cooking. Yeah, it's the sign of something. The smell is the sign that she's been cooking. Um, People wearing black clothes. This betokens mourning. It shows. It's a sign of. It indicates. Yeah. Um, the frowns on his forehead betoken the worry that he's feeling. Yeah, so they give evidence of, they show. Now, we can also use to betoken, meaning to predict, to give a sign of, to augur, or to portend. So, grey clouds on the horizon betoken rain, betoken coming rain. They are a sign that rain is coming. They are an indicator of what's going to happen in the future. They're like an omen. So, yeah, rising inflation normally betokens the beginning of economic problems. Yeah, I think rising inflation also betokens increased unemployment. Yeah, it's a sign of, it's something that foreshadows, it's something that typically comes before. Yeah, it's something that threatens. Um, his sad face betokened how he felt at that moment, although it was supposed to be a happy occasion. It indicated, it marked, it was evidence of, it suggested. Yeah, but then it attested to. Yeah, it showed it, it indicated. Okay, so to betoken, to signify by some sort of visible sign. Yeah, the flag flying at half mast, at half height, betokens the death of somebody in the family, or betokens a death. Yeah, but we can also use to betoken, meaning a sign that indicates something that is going to happen in the future. The fact that this meeting went very badly betokens worse problems to come in the future. Yeah, it indicates what's going to happen. It's like an omen for the future. It tells us what is going to happen. So we've got these two ideas with betoken, either to signify something that is obvious. So these glasses betoken that I'm getting old and don't see very well. Yeah, the grey hair betokens old age. And then one thing betokens something that's going to happen in the future. The changing attitudes betoken change in our society. Yeah. So one thing betokens another. It's an indicator of what's going to happen. It's like a prediction, a warning, or an indication of a future event. Yeah, a comet betokened that something important was going to happen. Yeah, it signified, it was like an omen or a portent. Let's see, formality. To betoken. This is quite a formal word. I think I'm going to give it 7.5. So would I use it? I wouldn't use it informally, definitely not. A semi-formal conversation, probably not as well. I think semi-formal and formal writing, it sounds quite literary as well. It's quite a good literary word. And then as to origin, okay, a token is something that signifies something. It indicates something. It means something. And this B, I think this B is amplifying. It's an intensifier. Yeah. Okay, this token comes from taknian in Old English, to signify. So betoken, to signify, to strongly signify. And that taknian in English comes from Germanic. Yeah, so to betoken. Enough. Yeah, when I say enough, that betokens the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To betoken.